Good afternoon, everyone. In this section, what we are going to see is Python basics. Yeah, it's a Python basics sections. In the entire deep learning program, we are using only the Python language and some Python frameworks also. Okay. In this section, we are covering the Python basics. Why in this section means I already said the entire faculty development program we are using the Python programmings and Python frameworks. Most of the people is knowing the Pythons and knowing the basics everything, but still now some people is not exploring the Python things. Maybe they know Python basics things, but the Python is having some specific function. We are using some specific functions in this deep learning parts. For the example, enumerator functions, max functions, lambda functions. This is everything is very specific usage. Most of the people is not exploring these kind of things. Yeah, that is why we are having these sections. Mm. The unknown person is knowing this kind of thing is very important before the deep learning program. Okay, deep learning parts, and the knowing person is also is brush up our Python skills. It's also is a very important things. That is why we are having these sessions. Yeah, this motto is the unknown person is exploring the Python kind of things, Python steps, and a knowing person is having a brush up our Python skills. That is the motto. I just move on to the Python. You attend any Python workshop or webinars, they are say lot of things. Python is a free language, open source and free, and is having the syntax is very easy. Is a high level programming language. Is learning is very easy for beginners compared with the Java, C++. They are say lot of things. Yeah, I agree. But Python we are using in deep learning, especially some certain reasons is there. Some that is we will see the reasons. One of the thing is extensive libraries and frameworks. Yeah, we already done the Python one simple neural network using Python. There we create everything in scratch. Okay, everything in scratch means we creating the activation function. We do some dot products. We make everything in our own self. That is okay. That is good for the one simple neural network. That time we are using the only one layers and the only one perceptron. That is good for that. But in the real world problem, you are using the lot of layers and more neurons. Okay, more perceptrons. That times you can't do the coding in the scratch. Okay, it's take a big time. Okay, it's taking a big time. It's consuming more times. That time we are using some frameworks. Okay, some frameworks, and there are some libraries also is there. That is one of the thing is TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch. This is the everything is the frameworks. The framework is nothing but they are building codes in our under the frameworks. We are just access the framework using the function. It's that time we access the every codes. Okay, we access the one function through we access the entire code. That is the beauty of the Python. Is we have a lot of frameworks in Python. That is one of the reason. We have a lot of libraries also. Okay, Matplotlib, NumPy, Pandas. We have a lot of libraries. That is the one of the most important thing in we are using Pythons. The second thing is easy to learn. Yeah, Python. I already said right. The Python is very easy to learn for beginners to everyone. Okay, you already know some programming language is very easy to learn. You okay. Yeah, that is the one of the things. The syntax is also is very easy for the normal English words. For example, in and or print. This everything is a very simple basic English words, that is they are using in the syntax of Pythons. The third thing is extensive ecosystem. Okay, this is what is the ecosystem? Yeah, you want to build a one deep learning concepts means you need some set of things. You want to manipulate the data, you want to visualize the data, you want to process the data, and some machine learning kind of things you want to do. So you need some bunch of things. Is everything is available in Pythons through some libraries. You want to manipulate the data, you just access the one library, that is name is called pandas. Okay, you just access the pandas library. Through you doing your manipulation works very easily. Okay, very easily. And the second thing is visualization. I already said, right? Yeah, you want to visualize the data for a plots or graph, some things. Okay, you just access the matplotlib library, using easily visualize the model. The fourth one is what I say, machine learning kind of things. Okay, you doing some deep learning kind of things or machine learning kind of things. You want to do some functionalities. For the example, the activation function. At the same time, the machine learning is a little bit different. They are using some algorithms. For the example, tree, yeah, decision tree, random forest, and the SVM. Okay, support vector function is a XVM. And this kind of the algorithm they are using in the machine learning part. That time we are just access the library scikit-learn. You just call the one function. You access the entire code. You don't want to write the entire algorithm in step by step. Okay, it's not needed in Python. That is the beauty of the Pythons. Okay, yeah, we want to learn Python basics, at least some using concepts kind of things. I just move on to the coding part. Yeah, I open my Colab. I just rename the title, that is the Python FDP. Yeah, it's enough. I just connect this. The first thing is I want to print one sentence. Okay, yeah, it's connected. First thing what I do means print the syntax. So okay, I just print the one word. The Python is okay. The entire programming language have a one popular word is hello world. Okay, I just run the code. Yeah, you getting the hello world. This means you print one functions. Okay, you print one word. That is this. How to print the one word using what is the syntax? This is the very basic thing in every programming language. This is for the Python programming language. You just access the one function. That the function name is called print. The inside the print function, within the course inside, you just whatever you want type is printed in your command prompt in the output window. Okay, this is the very easy things. I'm just going to move on the next one, operators. Okay, operator in the sense some kind of operator is there in every programming language. The Python also having some operators, that is the arithmetic operator, assignment operator, logical operator, and the membership operator. There are lot operators there. We are seeing some operators here. Okay, first I seen the operators. First one is we are seeing the assignment arithmetic operator. Okay, I have one mark list. That is the mark 1. is 89. Second thing is a mark 2, that is 50. Now I want to add these two marks. Okay, okay, I change this mark is 71. This is the 23. Okay, this means total mark. It means I have one subject mark. The 75 mark is a written exam. The 35 is a practical exam. The person is getting the written exam is 71. The practical exam is 23. Now I want to add these two marks. How I add means mark 1 plus mark 2. I just run the program. I print the total mark. Okay, I want to print the total mark. Sorry. Yeah, the guy's total mark is 94. Okay, the 94. But I want to make a little bit more in the print statement. I don't know what is the 94. Okay, I know the 94 is the total marks, but the people don't know what is the what is the mean 94 means. Okay, that's why I am using the print statement. Using the total mark comma yeah, here now you see the different. This the total mark is 94. You're getting some idea about the 94 is based on is some marks, some total marks. Okay, I just move on to the next thing. You also do the separation also. Mark 1 minus mark 2. Just print this is a 48. You do multiplication, you do division also is possible. This is the division value. Next move on to the next operator, that is the assignment operator. Okay, assignment operator is nothing but first what we did, the mark 1 is 70 71. What this means, okay, mark 1 is a variable, and the variable name what is means is equal to 71. The mark 1 is equal to 71. I assigning one value to the variable. Okay, to the variable, the I assigning something. This is the assignment operators. Here you assigning the lot of things. For the example, mark 2 is plus equal to, okay, mark 1 is plus equal to 3. Now I print. In this time I already have some marks, I already have some numbers. Assigning is here is a 3. Okay, it means what does means is nothing but mark 1 is equal to mark 1 plus 3. Okay, the mark 1. Oh, sorry. Here is already value is 74. That's why is given that 77. I just given the 71 again. Yeah, you're getting this value. This is the basics of the assignment operator. It also is possible for multiplication, subtraction, and the division also is possible. Yeah, I given some idea about the some other assignment operators that is based on the divisions. Now you just assign. I have one image. The image have lot of pixels. The pixels have some certain range. Okay, every pixels have having ranges 0 to 255. Okay, just give the some idea. Pixel range is 0 to 255. Okay, I have one pixel value, that is the 168. Okay, 168. Now I want to normalize the data. Okay, I want to normalize the data. What I do is I just normalize the data. Why means that is, okay, I want to normalize the data in 0 to 1. I want to convert to 0 to 255 to 0 to 1. How I do is val divided equal to 255. I print the val. Yeah, I am getting a value of 0 to 55. This is the one of the methods in assignment operators. I just move on to the another one operator, that is a logical operator. Logical operator means you. I think yeah, everyone have a idea about the gates. Okay, what are the gates? AND gate, OR gate, NOR gate, XOR gate. Yeah, we have a lot of gates, right? This is also is a kind of gates. For the example, AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. Okay, I just print the only one thing. It's an AND gate. Using the one if else statement. If x equal to 0 and sorry equal to 0 and x equal to sorry less than 5. Okay, this is my conditions. Print x is done. Here x value is sorry for the delay. Yeah, here what has happened means in before is not getting any answer. I change the symbol after I getting some answer. What is this? X is done. That means I given two conditions. For what is the condition means x is bigger than 0, x is smaller than 5. That time I print x is done. That means the value selected is positive condition, kind of things. You do a lot of things using the operators, especially logical operators. We also using lot. Yeah, you are also is possible for or conditions or some other things. Okay, I just move on to the next thing is data types. Yeah, that is a very important thing in Python. Okay, in Python there are many data types is available. Okay, one is the list. The second thing is tuple. The third thing is dictionary. The fourth one is set. There are many. Okay, there are many is available. Yeah, we will see something. Okay, we will see. We can't see everything in the basics program. We have a lot of things. That's why I am taking something one and I doing some operations, uh, you getting some ideas about the data types. Okay, first I take the list. Okay, I just the list is a collection of data. The list is a collection of data. I store the lot of data inside the list in the single variable. I put the something. For the example, I put the 5 marks: 90, 89, 78, 98, and 87. Yeah, I just print the list. Now I am getting this. What does this means? What I we are going to do in the first part, we are initializing two variable, that is a mark 1, second thing is a mark 2. We are initializing the separate marks. Okay, mark 1 is something, mark 2 is something. Now what we are done is we have 5 marks. We initializing in the one variable using the list. Okay, you using the list is possible. That is the beauty of the list. You do a lot of things in list. You add the data, you delete the data, you do some operations also is possible. I just move on to the next thing. That is the slicing. Okay, slicing is the most important things. Before I using one list, that is a fruit. Okay, okay, not a fruit, that is a number list. Okay, what does mean 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7? I print the number. Yeah, this is my number list. Now what I going to do is I want to slice this number list. This means I want to take in some particular numbers. Okay, my based on my requirements. For the example, I want to take the first value. Okay, I want to take the first value. That time what I going to do is I put the 0. My getting the first element is 1. In case I want the second element, what I do means I put the number initialize 1. I getting the second number. Okay, I getting the second element. That means what I am done is I indexing. I taken the indexing. Okay, I taken the number using the indexing. The indexing is starting from 0. Yeah, the indexing is starting from 0, is ending with the your n numbers. Okay, it's ending with the n minus 1 numbers. Here also is the same. My starting number is a 0. Okay, I put the 0. 0 is the first element. My first element is a 1. Okay, I say I want to take the second element. I put the index number is a 1. My second element is 2. Yeah, I think you're getting some idea about the indexing. Yeah, you also do this. You easily getting the idea. The next one is the negative indexing. That is means I put the minus 1 now. What is happen? I getting the lost number. Okay, I getting the lost number. In the positive indexing is start from 0. The negative indexing is start from minus 1. Okay, it's a crucial things. For the example, I put the next one as a number minus 2. What is happen? The 6. The backside second element is 6. That is it's throwing out. Yeah, this things, and I want to do some set of list. Okay, I want to do some set of indexing. That means I want to take more than one variable. That time what I am going to do is I using this colon. Okay, it's not a semicolon, it's a colon. I just put the 1 now. What is happened means is given the set of numbers. Okay, it means the first element, right, is first element is 2. 2 to the every elements. After the every elements is showing here. I put the one before. It means is given only one value. That is means the first value before value. You put the colon in before the element that is given the in before. What are the things is you have? Those things you getting in your outputs. For the example, I put the number of 3. Okay, 3. Here, what is the 3 means? I just print 3 first. Yeah, 3 is the fourth number. 3 is the fourth number. It's our output is third number. You getting some idea about, right? This slicing. This is the fourth before every element is given for the outputs. That is the these things. In case I put the in case I put the colon after the 3, what is happen is given 4, 5, 6, 7. This is everything's okay. This is the indexing. Is also possible in negative indexing. Yeah, the third number is okay. I just want to print what is the third numbers negative index side. Yeah, the third number is the 5. After the 5, 5, 6, 7. You're getting everything. Yeah, it's a very very nice. The final thing is final touch is you want to do indexing in between some numbers. In between some numbers. That is means I want to do 1 is to 5. You getting this? Yeah. How it's come means what is the number 1? 2. Okay. What is the number 5? That is 6. In the we are before the number, that's why is given the everything's that 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These everything's. In the 5 before means in before the 5th element. 5th element is 6. That is why we are getting the 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the indexing. Okay. Third thing is we are going to do the control statements. Control statement is nothing but is if else statements. You everyone know, right? We are checking some condition. How we check means you are using in programming through if else. Okay, I just write on function. I want to find out the even number. Okay, in case I have any kind of numbers. For the example, my number is 25. Okay, my number is 25. I want to predict this the even number or not. Okay, that time I using some conditions. What this means, number equal to sorry, number floating is at 2 equal to 0. That time is a printing even, otherwise is printing add. Okay, yeah, it's a very nice thing in if else. Next thing is a loop. Looping concept. Okay, you're doing the lot of way in the loop. That is you having some list tuples set or something. You just looping the datas, or you have a range function, that's also is possible. I just print the first 10 numbers. I using the range function. Yeah, we are getting the first 10 numbers. Yeah, the range also is starting in 0. uh, is first 10 number is 0 to 9. This is the loop. Is also is possible for the list, in the list tuples iterations also. I creating on list, that is a fruit. Okay, apple. I have some set of fruits list: orange, goya, banana. Yeah, I have some set of things. I want to bring this everything in a next step by step. Okay, now that time what I going to do is I using the for loop in fruit. That means the loop is in fruits. I print fruit. Sorry, sorry. Yeah, this means yeah, it's given the one by one. First one is apple, second one is orange, the third one is goya, the fourth one is banana. Is given the one by one. This the loop concepts. Next, we are using the how to do one normal functions. Okay, it means here def is a keyword. This the uh, this the syntax of creating one function. First, you want to mention the keyword is a def. Second, you want to mention the function name. I mentioned okay. I again taken the even example. After you finish with the one colon, here inside you passing some data. What are the data you have? You want to pass. You passing the data. I passing my data is number variable name is number. Here I using the if else statement. If number is 2 equal to 0, print this number is even, else the print number is odd. Okay, I just write the one function. What I going to do is what I going to do is I just access the function and I passing some values, that is 25. This number is add. Even I passing the number is 10. This number is even. Yeah. Yeah, this is the you normally creating the functions. How means def is a keyword. The second thing is followed by the def. You put the your function name. The you open the brackets, function brackets. Inside the function bracket, what are the data you want to pass inside the functions? You mentioned everything in the inside the brackets. and finish with the colon. After you enter the next line, you whatever things you want to write, you just write the codes. Okay, this is the one of the things is indentation. You make sure you what are the codes you want to write inside the function. It's having you needed this gap. Okay, you needed this one gap. That is also is important. Just a minute. Yeah, it is the normal functions. Next, what we are going to do is the some built-in functions. Some built-in functions. That means sorry, built-in functions. Yeah, this is the very important thing in these sections. uh, Most of the people is know this kind of things. This kind of things is everyone is know. It's a very basic things. Now what are the building function we are going to say is some specific functions. That is for map function, enumerator functions, and zip functions, and max, this kind of functions. Okay, for the example, I want to I taken the fruit example. What is there? Yeah, here I taken this fruit example. Now I normally print the fruit list. What is happen? Sorry, is given only one line. Okay, at the same time I using the one for loop. In range of, sorry, in fruit I, you given one by one. Okay, but sometimes you want the numbers. You want the numbers also is needed sometimes. That times is using for the enumerate functions. I using the for loop again. In fruit only. Okay, this is my for loop sentence. The same thing is I given on using the bracket. Before the bracket I using one word is called enumerator. Enumerate. Okay, after I mention here two things, I comma j. I print I comma j. Yeah, we are getting the index also. You are getting the index also. Apple index is 0, the orange index is 1, the Goya index is 2, the banana index is 3. But I want to make sure I want to the apple is 1. I want to change the index. What I going to do, I just put the comma, and which index I want, I just put the number. In case I want to start with the 10, yeah, the apple is starting with the 10, level 12. The 1 is needed for me, that's why I am putting the 1. Okay, I given some clarity about this I and j. The I is a index, the j is a fruit. Okay, I put this number, sorry, index comma. The second thing is fruit. The first one is the index, the second one is fruit. This is the first built-in function. This is the enumerate. Okay, the function name is enumerate. The next thing is the map function. This is also is a very crucial thing. What are the things means? I have one list. I just use him. I have one list that is for 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I want to square. I want to take a square. for this list entire elements. Okay, uh, for the example I want to square this everything. mm. Okay, 1 square 1. Just print the list here using the next line. Print 1 square 1, print 2 square 2, 3 square 3, 4 square 4. Okay, I want to do like this. How I do means I will create one function. Okay, def square of, I instead of passing the number is I put the return value, that is num square num. Okay, this is the function. Now I want to match this everything. Okay, for the example what we are do, we are access the function, right? Yeah, we are putting 1, we getting 1, we are putting 2, we getting 2. Inside I am putting the 3 is 9. I'm putting 4 5 6 is up to 1 and so on. But in case I pass the list, what is happen is throw the error, right? Yeah, it's throwing the error. You can't pass every thing in the at a time. You passing the only one thing. That time we are using the map functions. That means using the one map function. You will give first thing is a function name. Second thing is you want to pass the data, right? That name. Okay, lst. I just print the variable. Yeah, it's getting map at something. Okay, this class thing I using something better. I want to see this list of square. Using the list function you getting everything. Okay, the first one is a 4 1 4 9 16. You have some different data also is possible. Okay, for the example I have some big data list 2, that is for 255 789 987 8 76. This is the very big numbers, right? I just use the something square thing. Okay, I again use the square thing, map square lst2 above the square 1. Print list square 1. Yeah, we are easily getting the 4 numbers root. This is the very big number. We can't easily do in minds. Yeah, you just think we have only the 4 numbers. In case we have some 1000 numbers, 2000 numbers, that time what we are done is this is the options. Okay, this is the options. The next one is the zip function. That is also very important things. Zip function is yeah, I have two things. One is person's name, another one is person's age. I have a name. For the example Modi, Rahul and Jahan and Stalin, something. Okay, I have some names. I have age also. is 72. Rahul is above, okay, 50. Is Jagan is nearly 38. Okay, the Stalin is 60. I have some list. I just print the list. See, I getting the list, but I want to map the limb. Okay, now I want to map the this two datas. Okay, how I do is using the for loops. There are for okay, name and age. In I want to embed the two things. Print name, dh. Here, okay, sorry. Yeah, here you see Modi's age is 72, the Rahul age is 50, the Jagan age is 38, the Stalin age is 60. It's a very very nice thing, is right. We have most of the use case. We have these kind of things only. We have some different datas. We want to embed the datas. Okay, we want to connect the datas, or we have only one data. We want to separate the datas. Most of the use cases only we have like kind of this only. Yeah, we have almost done. We have little bits only. The final one is the lambda function. Okay, now I want to show you the before function. Before we writing these functions, right? Okay, kind of one function I write in here. The function is def, okay, number equal to lambda x is 1 if x greater than 0, else 1. Yeah, what is the function is this the function is called positive numbers. Okay, I just change the number here. Positive, positive number. The function name is called positive numbers. I just write the variable name. I just pass the one variable. This is 3. This 1. I put in the 1000. This 1. I putting 16. That is 1. What is this function? Are you understand the functions? Do you understand the functions? Yeah, I will explain the function. What is explain means we have okay, we have one number. We passing to the function. The function is checking is a positive number is given 1 or otherwise is given 0. For the example, I give one minus 16 now. Okay, sorry. Yeah, here I getting the minus 16. What does this mean exactly? This is the one advanced function concepts in Python. I just give the same name, positive number. I just remove the 1. Okay, the same thing is x. That is my passing numbers, and I write if x bigger than 0, print x equal to 1, else print x equal to 0. Okay, this is my function. I just access the function. Positive number 1. I give the 1. Okay, access the invalid keyword of the print. Okay, I print the x only. X equal to 1. X equal to 0. Yeah, in case I give the 0, yeah, in case I give the 1000 is 1, in 99 is 1, I give the minus number, what has happened? It's 0. This function is taken the 7 lines, but this is the shortened form of this positive number function. It's a lambda function, it's a advanced things in Python. Yeah, that is the Python programming basics. I just finished the Python section.